wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 9 best woodworking vises. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. If properly bolted, the Craftsman corner clamp offers excellent stability while securing butt joints, dovetails, and even mortise and tenons for gluing. Independent jaws allow you to hold lumber of different dimensions in place and ensure that the joint is flush. It comes with a lightweight yet strong aluminum body and expands to accommodate 2x4s, but it serves a rather specialized purpose. At number 8, based on an over 400-year-old design, the Lake Erie moxon provides quite a lot of functionality for such an antiquated device. It's 32 inches long and opens up to 4¼ inches, and because it's made entirely from wood, there's little worry of it damaging your project. It offers a 24-inch wide screw-to-screw capacity, however it is quite costly for 4 pieces of wood, and it's not the most durable choice. At number 7, the Fox DeE 4026 has a large diameter carbon steel lead screw that provides both durability and smooth adjustments. If it's paired with hardwood jaws and a 25mm handle, it can help build custom cabinets and hand joinery. The handle socket is affixed with roll pins and it includes a stout screw plate, but it doesn't include any hardware. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Woodworking Vises, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, given the size of the clamps and because it mounts at the front of the bench, the Grizzly T2421 tends to get in the way less than tail-mounted models. It is a bit pricey, though it does make a prudent investment for dedicated woodworkers. It's equipped with long-lasting spindle bearings and a laminated maple jaw. However, the handle should be larger. Moving up our list to number 5. Constructed from nicely finished European beech, the sjobergs SJO33309 is intended for precision and specialty woodworking, where patience and attention to detail are paramount. It increases the available workspace, making intricate projects easier to see and control. It mounts with clamps or bolts and includes 4 spring-secured bench stops, but note that it's not meant for large jobs. At number 4, while the Oin Tools 226361 lacks any fancy features like adjustable dogs and a quick release, it's perfectly effective for a reasonable range of carpentry tasks. Professionals may prefer a more comprehensive option, but this DIY-oriented model will meet any budget. It offers a 5-inch maximum jaw opening and space to install wooden cheeks. However, it is a somewhat wobbly build. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Eclipse Quick Release is a refined version of a tool ubiquitous in workshops worldwide. An adjustable front stop allows it to function as a standard or tail vise, and as a safety measure, the Tommy bar is designed to fail before the unit itself breaks. It comes with 2 pre-drilled mounting holes and an efficient and fast trigger. It's available in 7, 9, and 10-inch models. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Woodworking Vises, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you'll find the Wiltern 63218's design co-opted by many competing brands because it's so incredibly effective. It's intended for front-facing installation on almost any workbench and opens as wide as 13 inches to accommodate some of the largest tasks. It features a 10-degree pivot for irregular boards and 10-inch wide jaws. It's made of heavy-duty cast iron. And taking the top spot on our list, the EndFacing Rockler Quick Release is ideal for the worker who's decided to build their own custom bench. It mounts easily on the underside of the tabletop, and a 17.5-inch width with a 12-inch travel distance provide powerful functionality. It can be released with a quarter turn and can be used as a front vise. It comes with nicely ground guide rods. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for Woodworking Vises, or simply click beneath this video.